Hi everyone, I'm going to give you a game you can play today with a soccer ball. Right there. I'm going to call it foot golf. You could also call it soccer golf though. But basically it takes the concept of golf and soccer and tries to combine them. With golf, typically a person plays 18 holes in golf. But with this, in my yard, I've only made 3 holes. So I'm going to show you my 3 holes, and after this video I may give you a couple more details on just some things to help you understand the concepts better if you're not real familiar with golf especially. But I'm going to take you through my 3-hole course. The way I'm going to play is basically keep track of how many kicks it takes me to get to each hole. Each hole that I've made up has a tee-off spot, which I have made with shoes. So I'll find my shoes each time I tee off or where I start from. And then my hole is, I'll just tell you where the hole is. So here we go. Number 1, there's my tee-off spot with the shoe, and my hole is that big tree right there in front of me. So here we go. I'm going to start at the shoe, and it took me 1 shot. Here we go. Now I'm playing this to where I'm just seeing how many kicks it takes for me to get to the hole and keep track of it that way. But you can also play it as a speed round and just see how fast you can go through the whole thing and get someone to time you. So let's see if I can get it in this kick here. Alright, since it hit the tree, we're going to count that. So that's hole number 1. The next shoe, that's my tee-off spot. And hole number 2 is down there at that blue bucket. So let's see how many kicks it's going to take me to get down there. One thing I gotta be careful with here is my downhill. I don't want my ball to roll off into the woods down there. All right. All right, there we go. Hold it. All right, now I do not have to hit the blue bucket itself. I just want to be able to hit the stump that's on it there. Number 3 starts here at the shoe, and I've got to get it to the tree down there. If you can see that little purple looking object, it's a bat. I got to hit that tree down there. Now what you can do with this type of game is you could say, instead of taking a straight shot to the tree, I'm going to say I have to make it come off this rock wall that I have in my backyard there as part of the whole pathway. So I must make it somehow come off that rock wall. So what I'm going to do is actually kick it up this way first, and then at least one of my shots has to kick it off the rock wall before I get it to the tree down there. All right, here we go. Come on. On my last shot where my ball went down there to the tree, you noticed that I just tried to kick it and play it from where it was. It took me 2 kicks to get it out from that place. But what you can do with the people you're playing with is, if y'all decide, you can just pick it up and move it to the side a little bit and just count that as a kick or an attempt, or you could play it where you actually take it back to the spot you were and re-kick it from there and let that count as an extra attempt as well.